Wow, what do we have here? The latest arrival of the GR Supra alongside with the Nismo 2020 model. At 20% discount and additional 10% for Isetan member at Serangoon next. This GR Supra first color comes with sticker as well. The Nismo 2020 model first color is sold out, which is in black. Here are the latest Hino Profia truck as well. Awesome, the Skyline Turbo Super Silhouette. There's a bunch of them. I do not think this premium has any more discount as they are already on sale. The actual casting is very nice in my opinion. This is one of the best premium casting till date, and every Tomica premium collector should get this. The commemorative Lamborghini Diablo SV is sold out, left only the regular in yellow. I'm quite surprised I never see the McLaren Sana, only the Skyline Silhouette and the armored car. Is the McLaren Sana a Japanese exclusive? At this point I don't know. Oh, saw the Michelin Sports Transporter long Tomica as well, that's very nice. Which I did the review, you can always click on the card above. Very happy to see this release. At almost the same pace as Japan. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!